Hi, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We are giving you an update of our full house remodel. As you recall, we had the whole exterior done, all new windows, new siding. Inside of the house is completely painted, retextured. We have a fireplace that was all old brick. This is getting beautiful stacked stone. Matter of fact, you can see a sample right there. We're getting our kitchen cabinets installed over the next few days. You can see all these going in, so it's a brand new kitchen. We've got pendant lights coming down there, all new appliances in here. We're futzing with some of the electrical switches. We have a whole bank of electrical switches over here that Fred's working on here. You can see all the wires, but there's a lot of controls. There's about 4 or 5 lighting circuits here in the kitchen, and then ones that control all the lights here. Believe it or not, in this house we have about 58 recessed lights. Our sconces are in. We took out the old raised panel doors here in the hallway and put in nice beautiful doors. We've got 3 full brand new bathrooms. This is kind of an ensuite. This bathroom is actually part of this bedroom, which gives it kind of the whole feeling of a separate living unit. This is granite marble back in here. That's kind of a quick look there. Got our vanity cabinet here that's going in. And we've got probably half of our molding up. This is colonial molding. We'll have new baseboard. We have crown molding going in here. Over here, we've got our wall sconces. We've got one over here. The sconces add a very nice touch, both decoratively and when you see this later on when we're all lit up. These are all on dimmers, and they provide quite a dramatic wall wash effect in the house. And if we come over here, we'll get a little better look as to what's going on in our master bedroom suite. This is going to be the surprise for everybody, because not only do we have a nice size master bedroom, this is a special custom color we had mixed up. And if you come into the bathroom here, you can see Felipe, master tiler, working here on the tile layout. And this is all veined tile in here, and this is all a linear drain, so there is no curb for the shower. It all is even with the floor. It actually has a 1/4 inch per foot slope back in the shower, built-in bench. This will all be open glass here, shower door, body sprays, a rain shower head. And while the toilet's over there, we decided in this bathroom to sweep the whole wall in the return. So with the tile, when you walk in, it'll make this whole room feel even bigger than it is. It's actually a very good sized bathroom. Got a beautiful custom master bedroom walk-in closet, and then all the regular accoutrements. We've got a dual bowl vanity over here, and other nice things happening. So that's a quick view of what's happening here at this full house remodel. And this is all new electrical, all new plumbing, complete retexture, 56, 58, 59 recessed lights. Brand new windows throughout the house, 3 new bathrooms, brand new kitchen, updated electrical, whole new sub panel, just a whole bunch of things. So we specialize in doing these whole house remodels. We also do bathrooms, kitchens, and we do general contracting work, structural repairs, dry rot, all that kind of good stuff. So give us a call if you're in the market for a quality contractor that's easy to work with, knows what they're doing, and is really into doing very high quality work. All you have to do is break out your checkbook. Okay, thanks. Check us out at bayareacontractor.com. That's the website, and the company is Golden Gate Enterprises. And by the way, for you tile people, you know this. People always ask, geez, what are all those little orange things up there? Those are spacers for the tile. That's how we get consistent spacing amongst the tiles. So when the tile setter is working on doing this, they get put in with the same spacing across the entire field of the tile system. And then later, of course, these get grouted. So the trick is getting a proper layout, getting the proper spacing, plumb level. And even when you do all the best planning, this house has a significant amount of uneven ceilings and walls, so the things we have to do at the end there that tie all that together. But anyway, check us out if we can help you with your remodel projects. This is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, your San Francisco Bay Area general contractor. We handle plans, permits, and engineering. Thank you.